A custom profile is a time-saving feature that quickly loads background data, facts, or even content constraints into a prompt. It helps you generate faster prompts with a consistent branding message. If you own a business or generate content for a social organization, setting up a custom profile is an easy way to load the same branding information without looking for the text or pasting copy into a field every time you run a prompt. The custom profile feature is available with every AIPRM plan, including the free version. Users with a paid plan can create and save multiple custom profiles. Follow these steps to create a custom profile or update an existing one. Log into ChatGPT and go to the text input field. Click the link, a new browser tab opens. Go to the My Profile Info heading and click the button. Enter a profile title that's really for internal use, and then go to the text field and enter your profile information, and then click Save. Ideally, your custom profile has useful information and is about 1 or 2 paragraphs to start. Open the browser tab with ChatGPT and refresh the page. AIPRM displays a link to your profile at the bottom of the page. To enable the custom profile, check the box. That's one of the nice features of this tool. You enable the custom profile when it makes sense for a given prompt. In this example, the AI did a really nice job of blending custom profile content into a blog post about a new product. If your plan permits, you can add multiple custom profiles. When creating a prompt, click the Profile button and select an option. That's it. Now you know how to create a custom profile.